In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Stripe, a powerful combination for managing e-commerce and email marketing seamlessly. Whether you're running an online store or setting up payment options on your landing pages, linking Mailchimp with Stripe can boost your business efficiency and customer interaction. To start, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp's website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your profile icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Select the option for Connect or Integrations from the drop-down menu. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Choose the Integrations tag to proceed. This will open a page listing all available integrations. Next, find Stripe on this list. You can either scroll down manually or use the search function to speed things up. Once you've located Stripe, click on the Connect button next to it. This action will prompt a new window to open, guiding you to connect your Stripe account with Mailchimp. At this point, you'll be redirected to Stripe's login page. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in. If not, it's time to create a new account. After logging in or setting up your Stripe account, you'll need to authorize Mailchimp to access it. Doing so will automatically link your Stripe business data with Mailchimp, paving the way for direct payment processing from within Mailchimp's tools. Now that your accounts are linked, you can choose how to leverage this integration. If you're using Mailchimp's online store, Stripe will act as your payment gateway. Head over to the website section in Mailchimp, then navigate through Stores and Payments until you find the option to connect Stripe. Customers will then be able to make payments using credit or debit cards and even Apple Pay directly through your Mailchimp site. Alternatively, if you're creating a landing page, you can integrate a payment block. Begin by selecting a product or payment template on your landing page and drag in a payment block. Mailchimp will prompt you to connect Stripe if you haven't already. You can then add product details and pricing and personalize the thank you message for customers. When someone makes a payment, Mailchimp will automatically add them to your audience list and categorize them with tags. For those wanting to automate customer tagging and journeys, Mailchimp allows tagging of contacts upon a Stripe purchase. Go to the Automation section, select Customer Journeys, and create a new journey. Set triggers such as when a Stripe purchase is completed to send follow-up emails, like thank you messages or upsell campaigns, automatically. With everything set up, you might want to customize your checkout and receipt options. In Mailchimp, navigate to Website and then Preferences, under which you'll find Payments. Here you can tweak various settings such as form fields, branding colors, and confirmation messages to better match your brand. Finally, once transactions start rolling in, you'll want to check your sales and analytics. Go to the Reports section in Mailchimp and select E-commerce. This page provides insight to total revenue through Stripe, the products sold, revenue from email campaigns, and conversion rates. Use these insights to refine your strategies for retargeting or upselling customers more effectively.